Hi, I am Jackie and I'm teaching people to speak Tagalog if you want to visit the Philippines or just wants to learn Tagalog. Okay, so I know that there's a lot of people who wants to learn Tagalog, but there's not enough resources out there. But I am really a teacher. I'm really teaching in Florida. I am a certified teacher here and I'm teaching middle school here in Florida. But today I'm teaching you Tagalog. Okay, so the first one we have to learn is my name. Okay, my name in English, my name is, I can say my name is Jackie. Okay, in Tagalog, you can say, ang pangalan ko ay si Jackie. Okay, you can put, my name is Jackie or ang pangalan ko ay Jackie. Okay, so it's the different way of saying. You can say in a shorter form or shorter way. English, I am Jackie or your name. You can say in Tagalog, ako si Jackie. This is the shorter way. English, I am Jackie. In Tagalog, ako si Jackie. If you want to be in like a formal way, in English, my name is your name. Example, my name is Jackie. Or in Tagalog, you can say, ang pangalan ko ay your name. Example, ang pangalan ko ay Jackie. I hope you learned. I'm going to upload more videos so that you can learn more basic conversational words if you go to the Philippines. Bye.